All right, Mark, a little confusing today because I don't, at least when I first moved here, I didn't know how to say the name of this town for a long time. I'm
Hugger?
like, yeah, I did. I said, I'm going out to Hugger to show a house. And
I'm a hugger.
somebody said, you're an idiot. It's Hugie. Hugie, South Carolina.
H-U-G-E-R.
Kind of out in the country here a little bit.
A little bit, but it's close to Mount Pleasant.
It is. So we're about 10 miles from Mount Pleasant. So you could be on Shem Creek in 10 miles, beautiful restaurants along the water, see the shrimp boats coming in and out. It's a really beautiful area, lots of fantastic restaurants there. And then we're about 10 miles from Daniel Island also, where the big stadium is, lots of concerts to see there, and Daniel Island's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, very, very nice over there. Lots of, like you said, the stadium, lots of restaurants over there as well. But here locally, right around the corner, is the Cainhoy Middle and Elementary School.
That's a fun one to say also.
Cainhoy?
Cainhoy, yeah.
And then there's a rec center right down the street too. So if you want to play basketball or take your kids to a playground, even though this community doesn't have it, 3 minutes away is that.
Yeah.
The other thing is, a lot of people say, well, how far is the closest shopping center? Inside 10 minutes, you can get to two different shopping centers. One's a Publix, and then the other is a Lowe's Foods.
And yet we're still out here in the country.
Yeah, yeah. And over by the Publix, there's all kinds of stores and restaurants.
That's where the Point Hope
Point
stuff,
Hope
right?
is over there, yeah. So you're about 10 minutes away from all of that. We'll show some of the video that we did from Point Hope in one of our previous videos here as well to kind of show you all that's over there. But
what I like about it is kind of out in the country, like we said. So it's, you know, we've got forest lands out behind us here, lots of forest out this way in the country, but still close enough to all that cool stuff. The great thing about this neighborhood is they laid this, it's long and narrow. So almost every one of these houses is either backed up to woods or water. So there's only, I think, a couple I found in the entire neighborhood that you're going to be looking at the back of another house, and that's really cool.
And that's what a lot of our clients are asking for, right? They want to know, I don't want to look into somebody else's backyard and see them, you know, naked in their living room or anything like that. So this neighborhood, we can achieve that.
Yes, no naked neighbors in this neighborhood. If we haven't met, now that we're talking about naked people, Jeff, Greg, and Mark Lim with Charleston Area Living do everything around Charleston Market, all the way up to Myrtle Beach, down to Hilton Head, pretty much the whole state of South Carolina. But we want to show you these few models we have. Cool houses. We'll talk a little bit in the house about what the different levels are and packages that they put in these things. Let's go check them out.
See you.
Hey, Mark Lim, out here in front of the Compton, 1,913 square feet.
Yep.
And you can put a second story in this one, right?
Yeah, if you build it from the ground up, you can choose to add a second story. And surprisingly, I thought that would be like $70,000. It's only an extra $30,000, $35,000.
That's good value for the square footage that you
absolutely,
get.
Yeah.
You ever been to Compton, California?
No.
I was in Compton, California once. I was there for a meeting, and I had to stay in a hotel that was surrounded by a barbed wire fence.
Oh.
I've never stayed at a hotel surrounded by a barbed wire fence before.
Was that your one and only time to
It
Compton?
was I stayed one night, and then I changed hotels the next day, and I got a little bit closer to LA. So front office space here.
It's huge.
Pre-wired for a ceiling fan. These are all still under construction, so you're gonna see some little things that still need fixed and repaired and painted, but get you a good feeling for it.
We're getting early access. Like they're not even open yet.
Because we're special.
Yes.
So laundry room here, and obviously this one at its base is a ranch. Like Mark said, you can add a second story, but laundry on the same floor as all the bedrooms. Little reach-in pantry. Now this one comes with a fridge.
It does come with a fridge, yeah, that's great.
So there's different, when they do spec homes, they'll put fridges in some, they might put blinds in some, they might do this in some. One thing to know is that we will see this in all the homes. This is an electric neighborhood.
And the microwave is above all of them, right?
Microwave above all, and they do vent outside. So a lot of these homes, the microwave will just it'll go through a filter and vent back into the house. This does go outside.
That's good.
So
you got a little bit of a bowling alley setup, but it's wide, like it's wider than normal.
Yeah,
so
this would be plenty of space. So you could have a 4-6 top table here,
and
then this is, how many do you think?
I would say 15.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, just about 15 Jeff feet.
Nice.
So they are not screening in the porches, but I do like what they did out here Although that's a tripping hazard.
Yeah, a little step
You
down.
have you a couple of
You have to
margaritas out here maybe? And
paint that yellow or something.
I think I really would.
So you got a good woods view behind you.
Especially since
Extra
I just had
pad.
a meeting today with my
Health.
my health insurance person to find out what I'm going to be paying for next year. I want to avoid all trips to the emergency department. But this is a nice big space. So part of it covered, part of it not covered. You could totally screen this in. And just like this whole neighborhood is pretty much back to nice stuff, woods or water.
Woods or water, yeah, very nice. Alrighty, so this must be, because it's on the back of the neighborhood, I mean, back of the house, this should be the primary.
Okay, so is this how many bedrooms have we seen?
Just one so far, because the front was an office, remember?
Yeah.
Which could be a bedroom,
Which could be, yeah.
but I think it's a 3-bedroom.
So floor to ceiling tile, that's nice. You got a big
Pantry? I mean, what do they call it?
listen, a pantry in the bathroom isn't the worst idea. You never, you're in here working hard, you might need a bag of chips or something, it's possible.
Good linen closet. And then you've got, what is that, another linen closet?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you have lots of towels.
And, wow, look at the
This
storage
is
here.
the house. Oh, that's nice.
Ah, good broom closet. All right, and then here is,
Oh, sweet. So they're
love
putting
this.
the HVAC systems inside the house here. It's in conditioned space, doesn't beat up on the unit as much, and much more efficient.
yep. You got a secondary bathroom here.
Okay, so now we have two more smaller bedrooms
Two
back
more
here.
smaller bedrooms.
Okay, so it is a 3-bedroom plus an office.
And that was a big office. Like,
It was a big office, and it was a good sized
you
primary
could
bedroom.
put a
These are
desk and a
pretty
Murphy bed
standard
in
for
there.
the. Yep. Oh, look,
Little walk-in,
I'm
step
walking
in.
in.
Would you call that a walk-in or a step-in?
I walked in.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, maybe it was a step. You're right. Let's not exaggerate, Jeff.
All right, here's bedroom number 3. These two are about the same size, right?
And no, this is even a little bigger
A
closet.
little bigger?
Laid out a little different. I don't know. Step in or walk in?
I think that's walk-in.
It's a walk in.
Because you can walk in and step.
Okay.
If you only step in, you can't step
We
again.
get so hyper focused on the most stupid things in some of these houses.
Our YouTube people love it though.
Well, I hope so. All right, so this is a cool one. So let's go see a 2-story maybe. They got some of those here. for us
I
to
think
see?
we got one more 1-story and 2 2-story if we can find them all.
Let's do it.
All right, Jeff. This one is a 2-story. It's called the Hartwell, and it is 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, I believe. This one has irrigation, gutters, wood stair treads, granite, direct hood vent, so the microwave vents out like we were saying earlier.
Yep.
And this one is going, I think this is one of the highest at 507, but it's 2394 square feet.
So this is the Hartwell. That's the same one they have as the model home.
It is, yes.
So if you want to come out here, the model home doesn't have furniture yet, but I'm assuming it will shortly.
Right, right.
Since we're here way early in the game.
Definitely room to put some rocking chairs out here.
Yep.
I like that it's on this little mini cul-de-sac out here too. So you've got an office right here to the front. You've
It's a
got,
reasonable size.
on the other side, you've got your garage entry and your
With the laundry here.
laundry, and then a half bath right here too.
Oh, I was thinking this was a closet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello. Good, good.
So this is a little bit deeper lot than the other one, but you've got your living room, full kitchen, eating area.
Yeah, I feel like most of this neighborhood is going to be deeper lots like this one. It's just because of the way the neighborhood starts and the road coming in that first one is tight.
A little bit
But
shorter.
as we were driving through the neighborhood, they look a little bit more open.
Yeah, for sure. So you got your granite countertops, you've got a corner pantry. As you stated earlier, everything's electric out here. Very
That's
nice.
good. Yeah, that's enough.
And I believe this one has the downstairs guest room. Or maybe it's the primary. Yeah, it's the primary. Pretty big. Tray ceiling with the crown inside the tray.
Yep.
And then your bathroom and closet are in there.
There's a pre-wire for a ceiling fan, so dual vanity in here. Same showers we saw before, tiled to the ceiling. Linen closet, toilet room, and then walk-in closet.
And this is the spot where we usually hang our picture.
That would be a
for
great
you.
spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, just I want you to be able, as you're coming out in the morning to get your coffee, to see Mark's face.
Yeah, not like, we wouldn't put it in the bedroom because then you'd be undressed.
No, that'd be weird.
Yeah, but we put it outside the bedroom.
You know what? I might
Filter worked right there?
I might have to tell that story on a Tuesday Night Live sometime about when I put my picture in my boss's bedroom in his
Oh,
house.
yeah. So it's got the wood treads. You've got full bath right there, right?
Oh, yeah. It's a big full bath.
Nice. So all your secondary bedrooms are going to be up here, which are 3 of them. Plus you have this nice loft space here, which would be great for an office. Got some extra light coming in here.
Yeah, it's a little bit weird.
Yeah.
Just because it's longer than wider.
But imagine like a big long desk, kids doing homework.
Yeah.
You could put your computer here.
Yep. And then this is the bedroom for the kid you
With
like
an
the
ensuite,
most.
right?
Yep. And a step in and a full bath ensuite.
Yep. So good house, the Hartwell, 2394 square feet at 507.
All right, Mark, this is the Hampton. It is, hold on, 2,602 square feet. This one has irrigation. I really like they're putting irrigation out here.
Yeah, and
I
it's not a 55 plus.
didn't
That's great.
expect to see that really.
Me either.
So wood stair treads. This one's going to be done in about 2 months, and it's listed at just shy of 520.
Okay.
So right inside the front door, we've got an office off to the right,
Okay.
and got one of their construction managers in here working on the house right now. So kitchen, same as before, all electric. We've got the microwave over the stove that does vent outside, so it doesn't recirculate the air into the house.
Nice.
And then a big open space, totally a 4 or a 6 top table here, open into the rest of the living room. Out back, again, just like the vast majority of this neighborhood is.
Woods.
We've got woods behind us. This is actually a nice lot. This
Yeah,
house
'cause
is available because,
You got nothing beside you.
yeah, I think we got woods beside us here. Look how they did that backyard here. This
Yeah, a little
backyard really
retaining
goes
wall.
deeper, yeah.
Very nice.
This is cool.
Very cool, very cool. So over here, I think we have a guest suite, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so you got your separate bathroom here, and that has a shower tub combo.
And so not the primary down, primary's upstairs, but the second, one of the secondary bedrooms here.
Yep, and just a reach-in closet here. Coat closet
Coat
coming
closet
in the
here.
garage.
You see what they're doing here. So they've got this is a chase that runs from here down to there. So if you have, a lot of people
DVD
don't,
player.
DVD player,
Speakers.
surround sound, that kind of thing. You don't have to have, if you have the TV mounted up here in the wall, you don't have to have a shelf for that here. You can run it down there to another shelf.
Very nice. All right, let me head upstairs. We got the wood tread on stairs again. Good sized loft space
Yeah,
with a good view out the back window there.
lots of light coming in. And around the bend, we've got laundry room first. And secondary bedroom here with a good sized reach-in closet.
Okay. Double doors, nice.
HVAC in-house, love that.
Love it.
And then 2 more secondary bedrooms here with a full bath here for them to share.
Okay.
And then
This one's a little bigger. Full bath.
this is the primary.
Huge.
So again, did the same thing with the ceilings, pre-wired for a ceiling fan. We've got a walk-in closet.
Thank you.
And same showers we've seen before, tiled to the ceiling. Toilet in the open in this one, that's interesting.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. But
On the highest price zone too.
Yeah, that's odd.
Like it?
Yep, good house. So again, I love that this neighborhood is backed all of these houses to woods.
I really like that too. And then, you know, the different levels of homes too. They all have the wood treads though.
Yeah, that's cool.
They all vent to the outside.
Yep.
So there's some things that Pulte, the builder, is doing specifically in these houses that all of them will have. Some of them will have gutters. Some of the spec homes will have gutters. If you want to build from the ground up, that's also an opportunity in here. Even on one of the one-story homes, you can add a second floor, like we were mentioning in the Compton there. And then, you know, once we get further along, next time we're out this way, we'll try to get the other one story for sure too.
One of the things I do like to do in here, and we've seen a trend with Pulte doing this, and that's putting, like we talked about, that HVAC system inside the house. So that makes a big deal. It lasts a lot longer. It's much more efficient because it's in conditioned space.
Save some money.
Saving money, baby. And these prices of these houses, I think, are pretty reasonable for the market where they're at now. So this neighborhood won't be here forever. They're only doing however many homes. You said like 80 homes or whatever
49.
it is. Yeah. So 49, that's a whole lot less than 80.
Yeah.
So if you want information on these, sooner's probably better than later. Best way to talk to us is down, oh crap, here
down
we go.
in the description.
Thank you. In the description, there's a link. You can book a Zoom call with us, a meeting with us, talk about what's the perfect house for you, what's the perfect market, what's the perfect neighborhood, what's the price point you want to be at, all the things that go into making, you know, finding you guys the perfect home. So book a schedule a meeting with us, and
don't forget to like, subscribe, click that little bell so that you can be notified about all the new videos coming out. And on Tuesday nights, we are doing a live. So if you're not ready for the Zoom call yet and you just want to ask a couple questions, pop it in the comments on our live on Tuesday nights at 7, and we'll try to answer those live and on screen in person.
Yes, sir. Thanks, y'all. See you in the next one.
See ya.